Hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this hair clipper. Brand name AUX, I guess, with the model number S6. So, it's all written in Chinese language, which I don't really understand. Okay, as you can see, Chinese language, everything. So, on the backside, nothing. Since I cannot read Chinese language, I'm gonna go to where I bought it and read some of the specs. Okay. Brand name AUX with the model number S6 and got 10 watts. Okay, let me raise it. Got 10 watts, 4 hours charging time, and 120 minutes operating time. Oh, 4 hours is really too long, and got a 2000 milliamp battery. Okay, yo, that's it. Inside you got the oil. Inside you got the oil, charging cable, and it's not a USB type C, and you got some guards. So it's not really the best guards, but we get the job done. Honda. Okay, you got this, the manual, also all in Chinese language, no English. Okay, you got the comb, little brush. I don't know what does this. Okay, that's it. So, why I bought this clipper? It's here. Why I bought this clipper? I bought it because of I wanted to put a wall PCB inside, but it turns out it won't fit. Got 4 clicker lever. 1, as you can see, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicker lever. Okay, does it move even? Wait a moment. Does it move? Yeah. Everything moves. Right now, this is the RPM that I got. Okay, this clipper was really easy to open. You just need to remove the screws here, 4 screws. Then you just open the top. That's it. And now I opened this place. So I want to maybe try to change the motor and see. This is the motor they put inside. So let's make an RPM test without the blade. Okay, 6,700 RPM. Yeah. So now, this is the motor that comes with it. And I'm gonna put this motor inside and okay. I'm gonna remove the shaft and I will put it on this one. So the old motor was really too slow. And one thing, I found this clipper also in another place, but it's written a dog, animal clippers. So what now? And please, I want you to leave your comment on the comment section below if maybe somebody can use an animal clipper to cut a human being's hair. I don't know. So I just want to know from you people. So leave your comment on the comment section below. Alright. So peace, man.